welcome to my 6-month lock update. Woo! Listen, I'm so excited. Persons do not reach the 6 months milestone. People drop off at 2 weeks, people drop off at a month or two. So I'm just excited that I reached my 6-month mark for my lock journey. And listen, I have a lot to update you guys about. So let's just get into it. So first and foremost, let me speak about my last retwist that I did July 11. I washed and I retwisted my hair with the help of my husband. You can check it out right here. I'll be brutally honest with you, ladies and gents. I did nothing with my hair. The month of July was very I did nothing. Literally, I just sprayed it, oiled it every week, and that was it. I didn't even wash my hair. And if you follow me with my YouTube videos on Instagram, like I always put up wash days because I love wash days. But the month of July was just like not having it. And every week, literally up to Friday, I would spray my hair with water and rose water and just oil it. Oh, and another update. Previous videos back, I told you that I'll be looking into additional oils to my regimen. I did get some. So I got the grapeseed oil, the jojoba oil, the avocado oil, and the sweet almond oil. And I still use the castor oil and the tea tree oil. So I'm just loving that. So far I don't have any complaints. I'll continue to use it. But yeah, that was my last retwist. Basically did nothing. I kept it in a bonnet and maybe put a style when I'm going out on the road, but most times it's just down or just in a bonnet. So July was a lazy month for me. What I've realized about my lock journey is that consistency is key. And I always hear persons say, be consistent, If you find a regimen that works great with your hair, just stay with it. Not because someone else is doing something you have to jump on board, but no, I really know, because consistency is key. It really is. So on my 6-month start a lock journey, like I've been learning patience, I've been learning consistency, I've been learning dedication, giving my hair some TLC, and it's just been flourishing very nicely. Like, I think I'll put a picture right here or maybe after the video, but like my hair has been flourishing really nicely, and I'm just happy that self-maintenance has not been going too bad for me. Like, I think I only made one error when I tried to combine a lock to the front, but I got that sorted out. So I'm just excited for what my 1-year mark will be, what my 8-month mark will be. Like, I'm just I'm just excited because it's doing its thing. Like, it's getting there, literally. So I'm just trusting the process. I do love it. I also realized that the shaft of my lock, it's maybe like all of hair is already locked, and then I just have hair with the 2-twist pattern. Like in the middle of my hair, like majority of it is already locked, and then at the ends it's just twist. Like I feel as though it's growing really fast. I have a healthy scalp, and I actually got confirmation on that too. Listen, I love supporting Black owned businesses that comes my way. So without further ado, listen, I did not do this hairstyle. So if you were wondering, I'm not up to that part yet. I'm not. I'm still trying to figure out the barrel twist. Like, I tried it. I went hiking last Saturday or something like that, and I tried the barrel twist, and I think it came out nicely. It was in my previous video, the visual lock journey. I think it came out pretty well, but this is on another level. Like, I think I fell in love with my hairdresser. And I don't know, she spoiled me so much. I might be going back to her, but hey, self-maintained not journey. But I decided to treat myself and go to the hairdresser and get a wash and a retwist and just enjoy that massage on the scalp. Like, I definitely enjoyed it. I went to Therapy by Jay, and that's in New York. I forgot what the city was, but Google her, book an appointment, get your oil products. She have oils for dandruff, daily oils. She have everything that you need for your, when it comes to oil. She even has stuff for men with beards. Like, she is an artist. She's a hairdresser, yes, but I believe she's an artist. She's just skilled from the beginning to the end. Everything was just amazing. From the time I walked into the salon, she greeted me nicely, and she explained everything. She asked me when was the last time I washed my hair, last retwist, while she checked my scalp. She did a little consultant, and even during that, she was like, I don't see no dry scalp, you don't have dandruff, your locks are growing nicely, and I told her I started it off by myself. She's like, you did a very good job. So hearing that from a loctician, it eased my heart a little bit, like, I did not jacked up my hair. I loved it, and the atmosphere was warm. The atmosphere was calm. She had nice soul music playing. She just had the atmosphere on another level. Like, it wasn't just dry, it was just amazingly calm. She started on time, and the whole process was explained to me. She first parted my hair in the middle, and she sprayed Sea Breeze, I think it was, on my hair. Sorry, I'm gonna be reading from my phone. I wrote notes. So yeah, she used Sea Breeze first. She says is an antiseptic, which brings up the dirt and all of the gunk and everything that's in your hair. It was really tingly. Like, all the products that she used, it was very tingly, so I love that. She sprayed every area in my hair, and she massaged my scalp. She left it there for maybe like three minutes or 5 minutes until that tingly sensation came, which I loved. And then we went to shampoo my hair. When she used the peppermint and aloe in my hair, it was done. Like, it was over. She wanted me there. The way she massaged my scalp, the way she took her time, and my hair was just tingling, and the sensation was just amazing. I was just astounded. Like, I was just like, wow. Drop the mic. So after that amazing wash, she actually applied her daily essential oils to my scalp, and that included the argan, jojoba, granium, rosemary, peppermint oil, and her oils are light. The one that she used in my hair is very light, and that's what I loved about it. Definitely check out her website. She sells them, so you can check out her website at therapybyj.com, and I'll actually put it down in the description box. She actually explained to me that we'll be using the Super Grow hair gel. Now, I was kind of skeptical because I didn't want the build up. I don't want anything that will cause my hair to just go out of whack. So she showed me the ingredients, and the first thing that I saw was purified water. So it's good. Water is the first thing. I drink water. Why not? There's no alcohol. There's nothing in there. Everything looks natural. So I told her go ahead with it. I told her she'll be seeing me soon. But I made up in my mind that definitely I'll be self-maintaining my locks and just treat myself at my year mark. I don't know if you remember this one. It was just hanging on. And since this is the pyramid of my hair, I want it thicker. So I explained that to her, and she did that for me. She fixed this one for me. So she really listens to you. She really listens to your concern. Edges, guys. my edges. I'm not a female that will be into edges. Like if I put my hair up and my edges is sticking out, oh well, not an issue. But when how she laid my edges, I had to go to the store and get that edge control. And it's actually a stronghold water-based pomade with cucumber lime scent. Like this got me. I actually enjoy it. I don't see any flakes or anything. It's not even moving. Like I love it. When I tell you guys she spoiled me, she did an awesome job. And Jay, if you're watching this, I thank you so much. When I reach home, my husband is like, she did a great job. And I'm like, babe, I'm thinking about going to her again. He's like, she's not expensive, so you can do it again. I'm like, all right. And her hospitality was amazing. I can go on and on and on and on and on and on, but I think I hit everything that I wanted to speak about. Let me think. Thank you, Sherise, for putting up that video so I can see that and even check it out myself. And Sherise's video, she actually went to her like a couple weeks ago. I'll try and drop it up here so that you can go and check out her video as well too. Sherise has just been an amazing knock sister. I met her on Instagram, but I wouldn't get into all of that. But just thank you, everyone. I'm just showing gratitude. But until next time, stay tuned for videos and the pictures. Bye.
Definitely retwisted.